Thanks for watching Twisted TV and welcome to the channel. Grab the popcorn and your favorite beverage. Don't forget your favorite blanket, dim the lights and let's take a look at what's coming up on tonight's episode. We have some reckless drivers running trash bins over. We have this gremlin at a door after midnight, which will probably haunt our nightmares.
Your house.
Not to mention doorknob wigglers trying to enter your home uninvited. And that's just a warm-up on what's to come. Keep them doors locked and keep an eye on your notifications. Without further ado, let's get started. In this clip we don't know if this is intoxicated driving or malicious driving and done on purpose, but what we have is a reckless driver out and about hitting trash cans. We wouldn't at all be surprised if the driver is intoxicated. Regardless, slow your shit down, moron. You're gonna kill someone or someone's pets. Holy cripes. Deranged woman or woman from hell possessed by a demon. You decide and let us know in the comments. Probably just drugs. Regardless, talk about a wake-up call. Absolutely terrifying. And of course, why wouldn't she steal the ring cam? Keep your eye out for this late-night gremlin stealing your doorbell camera.
Where are you at? By the way, I do talk. Walking around your house.
Absolutely terrifying. Stranger unloading some items on this person's front porch. Porch pirate unloading stolen goods or wrong drop-off. Let us know your thoughts. Creeper at night on this porch. Doing what creepers do. Stolen items off front porch. Amongst items, can you guess one? Go ahead. One guess, one item. If you guessed another stolen ring cam, you're right. We will just never understand this one. We have two coyotes working as a team in this one. They are trying to flush out a wild bunny that has been living in these bushes. Let's take a look together and watch what happens. They didn't succeed this time, thank God. We think it's time this bunny finds a new home. Like now, if we know coyotes, which we don't, we would say they will probably be back sooner rather than later. Be aware and keep your pets inside. Well, hello there. This homeless woman has come to this place twice now. Once during the day and once at night. She is also a doorknob wiggler and tried this front door on both of her visits, and attempted to enter the residence. We feel for anyone that is homeless, but you can't just be trying random doorknobs. It's going to get you arrested or worse. All that are in the area, be aware and be vigilant. Let's take a look and check this unusual and strange behavior out on this person's front door together. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks. We hope you're enjoying the video. If you have made it this far, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new uploaded content, not to mention perks and giveaways. We appreciate all your support and thanks for watching. It definitely appears to us that she could be mentally ill or perhaps under the influence of something. Did she drop something? Is she collecting mail left on the front porch? We don't know, but we do know that the homeowner has no idea who this woman is.
Yes, Susan.
No Susan here. Please go away. Here is the same woman during the day on a second trip in this clip.
Hello.
Unknown male seemingly drunk trying to gain illegal entry into this homeowner's residence. Clearly not the sharpest tool in the shed, is he? Perhaps wasted, or perhaps a few fries short of a happy meal. Either way, always keep your doors locked, especially at night. Attempted entry into home. Another prowler at night trying to gain illegal entry. Let's watch this brazen creep as he grabs his nuts and gathers the courage to go straight for the doorknob in this clip. This man creeped on the residence until homeowners noticed him and told him to leave. Another one going straight to hell for sure. Absolutely shameful, not to mention scary. Anyone missing a bobcat? Be aware if you're in the area, and as always keep your pets inside. Woman porch pirate doing what pirates do. Out and about stealing packages. Please turn those notifications on now, my friends. And keep an eye on your packages. Can you believe the audacity? She takes her time without a scare or care in the world. She even takes her time on her exit, checking everything out, making sure there is nothing else for her to steal. Ridiculous. Wow. Last second she decides to steal this item as well. Absolutely ridiculous. Late night trespasser. Man enters this homeowner's patio at 2:30 a.m. Let's take a look. Same man in the previous clip. Same man, different patio. Any information on patio man, please contact local authorities. Thanks. It's completely irrelevant, but it looks like this chooch is wearing and one shorts. We own multiple pairs. Give us a like if you own a pair yourself. Laugh out loud. What is with these criminal scumbags grabbing their nuts or their junk while creeping and breaking the law? Any psychologist watching have an answer. In this last clip of the night we have a tweaker that jumps this homeowner's 6-foot brick wall during early hours of morning. He then creeps and explores the property for items to steal. Homeowner was thankful nothing was taken, but is concerned this tweaker might go tell his tweaker friends and come back with company. We don't blame you. This is the last thing anyone would want. Everyone please be aware of this guy and be vigilant. We hope you enjoyed the video. We upload new content weekly. Please show your support and consider hitting that like, share and subscribe button. In doing so, you won't miss out on new content uploaded weekly, most times daily. Hit that subscribe button now to join the family and be part of the Twisted TV crew today. As always, keep it classy. Stay safe and always be vigilant, my friends. We hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.